topic is Heritage and Culture of India. This is Gayatri and Shravya. Today we are going to be your hosts. What is heritage, Shravya? Heritage is an inheritance property that can be inherited. Now what is culture? The arts, the customs, the traditions, the lifestyles and the habits that characterize a particular nation or society. Today we are going to focus on few monuments. They are Jantar Mantar, Ellora Caves, Hampi, Sun Temple, Mysore Palace and Taj Mahal.
Hampi. The Karnataka state government have decided to keep a proposal between Hampi in India and Machu Picchu in Peru. According to this proposal, these both historical sites have been two sister heritage sites.
Konark Sun Temple. Konark Sun Temple is a 13th century sun temple, Konark in Odisha, India. It is believed that the temple was built by King Narasimhadeva I of Eastern Ganga dynasty around 12th century. The temple is in the shape of a gigantic chariot, elaborately carved stone walls, pillars and etc. This temple is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The name Konark derives from the combination of two Sanskrit words named Konark, corner, and Arka, sun, in the reference to the temple which is dedicated to the sun god Surya. The monument was also known as the Black Pagoda by the European sailors. In contrast, the Jagannath Temple in Puri was also known as the White Pagoda. Both were important for the sailors as landmarks.
The Palace of Mysore is a historical palace in the city of Mysore, Karnataka, southern India. It is the official residence and the seat of Wadiyas, the Maharajas of Mysore, and the royal family of Mysore, who ruled the princely state from 1350 to 1950. The Mysore Palace is located in the central location of Inner Mysore, facing towards Chamundi Hills eastward. It is also known as the Ambavilas Palace. It is one of the most famous tourist attractions of India after Taj Mahal, which has more than 6 million visitors annually.
Jantar Mantar. In the early 18th century, Maharaja Hari Singh constructed 5 Jantar Mantars in total between 1732 and 1730. The word Jantar Mantar means calculating instrument. Jantar Mantar was located near the city palace at the Jantar Mantar was managed by the archaeological department. Jantar Mantar was fascinating for its ingenuity.
Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a white marble mausoleum located on the southern bank of Yamuna River in the Indian city of Agra. This monument is UNESCO World Heritage Site. On 7 July 2007, it was declared as one of the 7 wonders of the world. The architect was Ustad Ahmad Lahori. The monument construction was started on 1633 and continued till 1653. Taj Mahal is believed to have been completed entirely in 1633 at a cost estimated 32 million rupees. The construction project had 20,000 artisans under the guidance of architect Ustad Ahmad Lahori.
Ellora Caves. Ellora Caves is also known as Vereleni in Marathi and is located in Maharashtra. Built by the Rashtrakuta dynasty, Ellora Caves were also known as Elupura Caves in Kannada literature. Ellora is known for Hindu, Buddhist and Jain temples built during the 6th and 9th centuries. There were many inscriptions at Ellora, where most of them range from the 6th century to 15th century. The best known of them is inscriptions of Rashtrakuta Santi Durga.
This really shows us how much we love our country. Now it's time to an interview. Here is a friend who is going to interview 3 people from 3 different states. Let's invite Vandana from Kashmir, Nitish from Punjab and Shriya from Andhra Pradesh. Good morning viewers. Today we are going to interview 3 people from 3 different states. Firstly, Shriya from AP. Good morning madam.
Namaskar.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking.
I've heard that you visited many states but you still like Andhra Pradesh.
Even though I've visited many states, I still like Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is known for its heritage and culture, its dynasties and temples. So I love my state.
I heard that rice is the main ingredient of your state.
Andhra Pradesh is historically known as rice bowl of India.
Oh, it's great.
Yeah.
What about your power projects?
Yeah, there are many power projects in Andhra Pradesh. One of them is Nagarjuna Sagar, and there are many which are being built now by our Chief Minister.
Oh, that's great and interesting. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us, madam.
Most welcome.
Now we call upon Vandana from Kashmir. Good morning, ma'am.
Salam alaikum. I'm Vandana from Kashmir.
The main reason for us to have an interview with you is we are very much interested to know about the heritage and culture of Kashmir.
I'm aware of all the languages and culture of India, but I love the culture of Kashmir compared to all the states.
Oh, that's great, ma'am. May we know the specialty of Kashmir?
Yeah, the most important part of Kashmir people is their language. Besides their language and culture has been greatly influenced by Central Asia and Persian people.
I've also heard that houseboats are very important in Kashmir, ma'am.
Yes, they are greatly named for their poverty from their centuries.
Oh, that's great, ma'am. Thank you for sharing your valuable experience with us.
Welcome.
Now we are with Nitish from Punjab. Good morning, Nitish.
Shastri Khan.
How are you, Nitish?
I'm fine.
Here are some questions that we are all eagerly waiting to get answers from. Can we ask them?
Yes, feel free to ask.
Which is the most popular music in your state, Punjab?
Bhangra is one of the most important musical art which is gaining the more popularity in Punjab.
Can we know something about your Punjabi literature?
The most important literature in the Punjab is about the Guru Granth Sahib.
Oh, what about your festivals?
There are many festivals the people of Punjab celebrate, like seasonal festivals, regional and cultural festivals. Some of them are Holi, Vaisakhi and Diwali. The
Now-
most important festival of Punjab is Guru Nanak Jayanti.
Now something about your way of dressing.
The people in Punjab dress in different styles. The dressing code of men wear a kurta and a pajama. And the dressing style of women is salwar suit.
Oh, that's great. Thank you, Nitish.
Oh, it's my pleasure to give you an interview.
So what's next, Shavya? Before entering into the next program, let me know something about a country, its heritage and culture. India is a vast country with rich heritage and culture. We are proud to live in such a country. Anyone can tell about the country, but very few can perform it in the form of a song. Here are our friends with a melodious song.
దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే ప్రజల అండదండ మనదే అందాల బంధం ఉంది ఈ నేలలో ఆత్మీయ రాగం ఉంది ఈ గాలిలో ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా భరతమాతకొకటే లేరా రాజులు అయినా పేదలు అయినా రాజులు అయినా పేదలు అయినా భరతమాత సుతులే లేరా ఎన్ని దేశాలున్నా మాకెన్ని దోషాలున్నా దేశమంటే ప్రాణమిస్తాం అంతా ఈ వేళ వందే మాతరం అందామందరం వందే మాతరం ఓ అందామందరం దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే ప్రజల అండదండ మనదే.
Now we have a skit in which a student saves the pictures of all the unknown heritage sites and cultures so that our next generations will be aware of them.
Morning, please sit down. Next book shall be open. Today we are going to discuss something out of the box.
is reading next.
Ma'am, we are going to discuss about history of Muslims.
No, today we are going to discuss about heritage and culture of India.
Ma'am, this is a very boring topic.
No, ma'am, it's not a boring topic. It's an interesting one.
Yes, tell me what you know about heritage. Yes,
What does heritage mean? The monuments that contain memories of their time.
monuments are statues, buildings, or some other structures which commemorate.
Oh, ma'am, I don't know the actual meaning of the monument. Now I got it.
Yes, ma'am. Till now we thought monuments are some statues and signs, but now I knew what monuments are.
Okay, children, tell me some of the heritage sites of India.
Taj Mahal, Red Fort.
India Gate, Charminar, and many more.
Okay, stop now. Culture is a way of life of group of people, of beliefs, behaviors, values, and symbols that they accept generally without thinking about them and that are passed communication and recognition from one generation to another. Okay, children, we continue in the next class.
Hey, Vishal, what's there inside? Is that a chocolate box?
No, nothing is there inside it. It's an empty box. Hey, what's the box? No, nothing. Nothing is there inside it.
Hey, is there anything chocolate?
No, nothing is there. It's an empty box.
See.
I think there are some chocolates
No,
inside the box. It's
no,
not
nothing.
showing us.
No, nothing. Hey, guys.
What are those pictures?
Hey, what is this one inside?
Oh, all the pictures of
Hey,
nice.
guys, it's very precious to me. There must be 16 pictures. Can you search if anything is missing?
Hey, only some are there. Others are missing.
Hey, come on and search for all of them.
What are these dance forms?
I got some of them.
I also.
Here.
Have you gone mad or what? Why are you preserving this? What are these places actually?
It's really a waste of time. What are you doing here, children?
We are going to the library, ma'am.
Ma'am, we are searching for the pictures of Tushar.
What are those pictures? Are they so important?
We don't know, ma'am. Tushar told us to collect and keep them careful.
Actually, some of the pictures are the monuments which are not discovered by people. So, and some of them are of dance form, different types of dance forms. Such kind of friend. Actually, I'm collecting these pictures for our future generation to show about our heritage.
Why, Tushar? What happened to our heritage? Everything is good.
Yes, Tushar, ma'am is right. Why are you doing all these things?
Actually, there are so many heritage sites which are not seen by the people. People have seen only some heritage sites. So, I'm preserving these pictures to show our future generation.
But we are not even saving the popular sites.
Great idea.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, everyone go to the library. It's already late.
Save heritage and culture.
Culture of India. Thank you.
From today, let us save our heritage sites and cultures of India. Now it's time for signing off. Next week, we come up with some special topic. Thank you.